So the simple finesse, I think this is pretty funny title, simple finesse, because there's nothing simple about a finesse, but a simple finesse is a basic finesse. We're going to be looking at all types of finesses in this lesson. We're going to start with a simple finesse and see a repeat finesse and a double finesse and other variations of finesses. But the simple finesse is basically we're declare and we're trying to make an honor good in one hand or another, either in our declare hand or in the dummy. And our defender has a higher honor. So when we do it, when we recognize the finesse technique in our working suit, right, we say, oh, that's our working suit and the technique is going to be a finesse. What we want to do is make sure that we're leading from the opposite side of that honor, right? The idea is to lead up towards the honor we're hoping will win, not from it. Don't lead the honor and don't lead from it, but lead up towards the honor you're hoping will win to take out half of your defenders, okay? Because that's once you take out half of your defenders, one of your defenders, right? You have two defenders. Once you take out one defender, you are now at a 50% chance of making your honor good, right? Straight up 50%. Now this is in a vacuum without any other inferences or bidding clues or opening leads or anything like that, right? Just in a vacuum, it's a 50-50 shot. So by leading from the opposite side of the table of the honor we hope will win, up towards the honor we hope will win, taking out half of our opponents, right? One of our opponents, we take the 100% chance of losing it by leading away from it or leading the honor itself and cutting it in half to making it a 50% play. Finesse terminology. So when you're talking, when you and I are talking together, you're talking to your friends and you're talking about a hand and you say, yes, I had to take a finesse for thee. Okay, what you do is you put in the missing honor. Okay, so if the defender has the ace and you're trying to make your king good, and you go to the opposite side of the table of that honor and you lead up towards the king, right? You're taking a finesse for the ace, not for the card you're hoping will win, but for the missing honor.